Hello, and welcome to 6510 Carissa Avenue in Riverside, California. This is a 5-bedroom, 2-bath home with a low-maintenance AstroTurf backyard, plenty of space for you and your loved ones, a fireplace, and one of the bedrooms could be used as an office or a den if you didn't want to use it as a bedroom. Enjoy! Come take a tour today. Go to managementone.com to schedule or to submit an application. See you soon.